one of the very first things that we did when we bought the DGW homestead, David, Jenny, and William, was put this pole barn up. So it is a 40 wide by 24 long pole barn. The plan is to make it 40 by 48, put another 24 feet over the back of those two shipping containers back there, but I'm having so hard time getting that part done. On the back, we have two 40-foot high cube shipping containers that are pushed back together. We framed them out, put a nice little air conditioning heating unit in there, and got food storage, a shop, or a tool room actually, my office, and a multi-purpose room that we eventually want to get licensed to do meat processing so we could sell our rabbits. We've got a 20 by 20 dog kennel cage on one side that holds our rabbits. Got a chicken brooder box in the front there, and then the other side is just storage, basically for the tractor. We've wired in a 3-prong, 4-prong outlet for the generator, so if the power goes off, we can isolate that and run because our freezers and things are back there. But got a lot of plans for it, but we're trying to cash flow and not spend too much borrowed money on this place, because it's our retirement place, and if I have a big bunch of loans out, I'm not going to be able to retire.